Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in the anti-detect browser BitBrowser. Let's get started. Begin by selecting Proxy IP on the left side of the interface. Navigate to the Proxy Management tab, where all your existing proxies are listed. To add a new proxy, click on Add. In the window that appears under the Methods section, choose Custom. In the Type section, select the appropriate protocol type and specify whether you are using IPv4 or IPv6. Fill in the host and port fields with the IP address and port number of your proxy. If you're using a private proxy, enter your login credentials in the username and password fields provided below. Once all details are entered, click on Check Proxy at the top of the window to verify the proxy's functionality. A green notification indicates the proxy is working, while a red notification suggests it is not, prompting you to try a different proxy. Click on OK to add the function in Proxy to your workspace. Navigate to the Browser Profiles tab and click on Add to create a new profile. In the new window, input all the required information for your profile. In the Proxy section, you have two options. Manually set up a proxy by clicking on Custom and entering the proxy data as previously done, or select an existing proxy from your management list by choosing Proxy Management and picking the desired proxy. Once all settings are complete and the proxy is linked, click on Confirm to finalize your profile setup. The proxy is now configured in the browser and linked to your newly created profile. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.